Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. The video today is all about the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, but this is just rumors, but it might be happening as the same kind of rumor which if Xiaomi they officially announced the phone to be out and expecting this phone to be coming out around January. So for further ado, let's get started with this kind of spec of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro. So the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro is not officially announced yet, while the below mentioned specs are based on rumors. The smartphone is equipped with an S-AMOLED panel and provides a 120Hz refresh rate. Along with the Quad HD Plus resolution, Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro features 20 megapixel on the front side, while on the rear side there is a triple camera consist of 48 megapixel. OmniVision OV 48C plus 20 megapixel ultra wide plus 12 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom. The smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 888 along with the LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The device also features a 2D face unlock and an under-display fingerprint scanner. The device is packed with an 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage, or you can get it with a different variant of up to 12GB of RAM. Another kind of stuff, the device is fueled with a 4780 mAh of battery and supports up to 50 watts wired charging and 30 watts wireless charging. Moreover, it also includes a dual speakers, an axis liner motor and an IR blaster and an NFC. Now this kind of device, it's so much amazing because we are seeing an S-AMOLED which is a little bit kind of more upgraded to the normal AMOLED display. Now this kind of S-AMOLED display, it's really kind of awesome because what you're getting through it, it's really kind of brilliant, and the battery side and how much the phone it looks like, it looks so amazing. The back of the phone, which surprised me, is that kind of camera bump at the back, which it's really kind of impressive. We are seeing a different kind of form factor and that kind of design, it's really kind of impressive, but these are just leaks, guys. We don't know yet if this is gonna be the legitimate thing, but to be honest, it might be a legitimate thing because up to this kind of renders they're coming out, that means this phone, it might be a legitimate. This is how it looks like, which it's really kind of brilliant. Now I'm so pumped with how much Xiaomi they usually push their own kind of devices, and the form factor wise, it's really kind of impressive here. And what we're seeing, it's a Snapdragon 888 which is packed with a 5G alongside with more kind of performance enhanced, which is really kind of brilliant. A 4780 mAh of battery, which is across 5000 mAh of battery. I think they could just pack with a 5000 mAh of battery, which I think it's really kind of worth it. Having a 3 days phone having that kind of battery, it's really kind of impressive. Something else we are seeing, it's all about the form factor of front side display, which I'm so pumped about the front side display. Let's be honest, front side display, it's much better compared to how much Xiaomi they have come across that. I understand on the Xiaomi Mi 10, which it's a really kind of great form factor, but it's really kind of bigger phone, let's be honest, but it's really good. But the way they kept it around, it's the aging and stuff, it's really kind of dope, and the form factor at the back, it's really kind of impressive. Now this is a Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, and these are the specs which you guys, I thought that I could share with you, so as you can just get the brief of this kind of phone, how much it is. It's really kind of impressive for this kind of Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, and we are waiting for the official day to be announced, as it's arriving on January, but we are waiting for that kind of announcement from Xiaomi. So that's what's up. And another kind of stuff, the Miui 12.5 is on the way, and especially it will be coming out around February, which I think it's a brilliant idea bringing it on February. Got this kind of Pocophone F1 for it's almost like a year I'm using this kind of phone, and it's really kind of brilliant for me, and I'm really enjoying it. And I'll just drop a review about this phone, how much it is. Since it was announced up to now, it's really kind of great phone. I don't know about you guys, but Pocophone F1 is still my thing. And the kind of stuff, it's all about the updates. Now, I've been throwing to Xiaomi on their Twitter account lately about updates and bug fixes on the Pocophone F1, and I guess they heard us and they will roll out a 12.5 update, which this kind of bugs which they were on the Pocophone F1, they will be finally vanishing and need to be a little bit more stable version. That's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of video today, and last but not least, I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. And yeah, that's what's up, and peace.